Alright. What is up, everybody? Frame rate is 30 FPS, KBS is 4K. Let me start on Twitch. And we are probably started on Twitch as well. I'm not sure why the Mbps there is 5. It should be 4 as well, but it is jumping from 3 to 5. Who gives a hell of a shit about that? So, okay, I have Bard. Let's open this. I will open Studio. What the hell? So I just opened. I'm not opening Firefox today because I have heard that Firefox is a crazy RAM eater, and we don't want a RAM eater because that's bad. And by the way, I'm watching Psychopaths, very interesting, and I found a Shishui named character. Got corrupted sadly, but at least I found an Shishui. Now I need to figure out where am I streaming. That's the hard part. Your channel, no. In the go live section. The issue is when I click go live, it will create another stream, I believe, because it is a bit dumb. See, it did that. Oh no, it didn't. My apologies. Now I don't want you to. Let me just change the quality so it doesn't affect my beautiful internet, just in case. And my head hurts for some reason, I don't know why. I will also open Twitch to keep a look on my live stream. I want to make sure that I'm actually streaming at two spots. I don't want it to be my imagination. Now. Okay, so I'm not logged in, that's good. Now I can search for the category and see. Just chatting. I should try that category sometime. Anyways, that's not the category I'm looking for. 2024, let's search that. How do I am only sleeping. E-boy is here. What? That character doesn't look like a boy to me, but who cares? General, advertiser, dev. How can I search for my category? How do I do that? And I don't want to. Wait. He's sleeping and the screen is his desktop. That's even more weird. How he's so good at this thing, man. 400 people are viewing his screen. Why? I hope I will not get a copyright or something. What are people doing here? Well, it's a nice background thing. I will give him that. And I don't know, man. Let me pause this. Okay, I opened it instead. My bad. It's 2024. We can end now. Day 79 of uncapped something. I don't see any messages. Maybe we cannot see the old ones. That's weird. I'm getting distracted. I should focus on what I am focusing. So I have to find out my live stream. I think it was 2024 reset prep. I will remove the prep. Oh, look at me. Look at me. Let's just click on that. And will I hear myself? Let's see. Let's find out. Software and game development. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I do. Let's click on the category and see. Am I anywhere on the top 10 or something? That will be a bit hard to imagine. So we have someone building a habit forming social app. New Year still average IQ. Chat with me while I working on something. Ask your game dev questions here. Ooh. This is a good thing. I am able to see what people do. By people, I mean other dev people who stream. So Python and JavaScript, little Ghost, then blah blah blah, Russian, or it is a Russian. Creo, personal, termin. Okay, that's Spanish, I guess. Retro. Wait, I'm not even. Where am I? Oh wait, obviously wait. I'm not even at the bottom. Okay, that's a bit tragic. Oh, there am I. Let's wait. I'm actually at the bottom. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, let me take a screenshot real quick. Just give me a second. That's so funny. I need to take a screenshot. Open it up. Send it to Pool. Maybe I should save it as a memory. I shouldn't have opened this chat Okay, we don't have anything bad here. That's good to know. I am at the bottom of this category on Twitch Live, feeling exceptionally bad. Okay. Well, he gave me this thing to solve yesterday. Let's try it out. Shit, don't open that damn browser. No, my CPU. Oh, no, 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 no. Please, we need to stop it. Stop it, stop it. All right. Let's just copy the URL like a good person. Go to our beautiful Chrome, which might not have some cool things like ad blockers, but it is very amazingly. Okay, anyways. There are n sticks with some length. Your task is to modify the stick so that each stick has the same length. Okay, let me open my Visual Studio Code first. Okay, it's taking a while, so let's get back. Okay, it is here. All right. My apologies. What is it called? Stick lengths. That's a bad name. What is that? Okay. Local disk E learning, and then I have a folder called Codeforces. Why? Because initially I thought I will do some Codeforces stuff, but I did a little bit whenever Bull sends me something and I feel like I can possibly do it. Stick lengths. Okay. Open that. Open this. I think I should just open the folder instead. That will be a bit easier on me. Control K W, Control Shift N, Control KO. It's taking a while. Why is my laptop so slow? Do I need a new laptop? I need a new mobile. I need a 5G mobile, probably in like 150 days. But what about a laptop? That's a good question. I don't think I should buy one right now. Yeah, I've not done anything which will support the decision of buying it. But anyways, select the Codeforces folder. And then what? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to do that question. All right. So I can either increase the length or decrease the length. Cost is going to be X for both the cases. Okay, so difference in length is equals to the cost. And now I have to figure out the total cost. That's a good question. How do I do that? Print one integer, the minimum total cost. I have some ideas. First of all, I can try to find the most popular number, and then I can sort if there is like, what is it? If there is like competition, like multiple at same frequency, then I can sort it in ascending or descending. That's a good question. I have no fucking idea. We should go towards. Okay, let's just see the questions and stuff first. So the input was 523152. In this case, the output is 5. Why? Let's think about it. So if we go to the middle, that is 3, 1, 3, 5, 6. Answer is 6. So okay, if I go to 4, it will worsen. So I need to figure out where do the numbers stand. Okay, so I think I can start with sorting the array. And what will I do after sorting the array? I need to find the middle point. Do I need to find the middle point? Okay, in what terms do I need to find the middle point? Let's think about it. So one thing in my mind is I can sort. Okay, let me just try to. Let me just check the views first of all. Let's click on that. Nobody's there. Okay, Now let's try to manifest my imagination into reality. Let me just close Twitch. My internet is a bit slow. And my laptop is being exceptionally slow. It's like my hands are getting cold, so the laptop is getting cold as well. Why? Why is that happening? So my current idea is we can do something like this. All right. So let me just fix the size. This thing should be what the fuck? White. Now let's think about it. We will take a black brush. So this is an array. We will have some lengths. For example, we will have 2 3 1 5 2. So we have 2 3 1 5 and 2, right? So this is our array. Now as a human being, my first thought was go to the middle option and then try it out. And let me just sneeze. I'm back. So, well, that's the idea. I will find the most middle value and then do it. So, how can I do it programmatically? Very good question. I can sort the array into the order of any order, ascending works. So, it will become 1, 2, 2, 3, and then 5. I wonder how people write in MS Paint. They're good with mouse, I guess. So this is the sorted array, right? Let me just write it out. It is the sorted array. So this is what we need to do. First of all, we need to sort the damn array. Now after that, we can go to the middle value, right? And we can try to change every value into this. And then we can try to find the next big value, and then we try that out. Let me just choose a different color real quick. Okay, so we try this value, that is 3. How can I mess up an arrow? All right, this one is better. So I try 3. This seems bad. Let's go back to the earlier value. Oh, I've already checked it. Let's go to the earlier value. I've already checked it. Let's go to this one. 1. Oh, this is bad as well. But wait, what if the situation is I need to go on an even bigger number? Is it possible? Well, this is what I have in my mind, so I will like to start with this. I don't care about edge cases right now. We can care about them later on. So what was the question again? Length, stick something? Stick lengths, yep. All right. So first of all, we will need to, let me just check the inputs. We need to get n, and then we need to get, okay. So n is the number of sticks, and then we have our beautiful lengths. So we're going to get length is equals to this, blah blah blah, new int. Amazing. Now let's see what is next. So I will close all of this. Let's think about it, my friend. I now need to sort the array. Okay, so how do we sort an array? We can make bubble sort or something, or boom. Did that not work? Okay, that worked. All right. So now the array is sorted. Now we need to go to the minimum value, blah blah blah, right? Yes. I guess I will make a hash map to save the cost. Should I make an should I do that? You know what? I think I should do that. You know what I'm saying, right? I should try that. What do we call it? What do we call it? What do we call that? I don't understand. What do we call that? Is it a void function, by the way? Array.sort. Let me just try something. Int values is equals to, ho ho ho. Oh no, does that work? Cannot be control. Yeah, it is void. Fuck you. Do we have something similar to sort which returns an value? I doubt that, to be honest, but okay. Maybe we have to add an argument that will do it. We have a. Whoa, that's a lot of. Okay, we have a lot of type things. Then we have what? We have the compare thing. I don't care about that either. Ah, bullshit. Okay. Come on, I cannot even type Control Z. Okay. So, my friends, I was thinking to maybe make an array of unique elements. How do we do that? Who knows? I have no idea. How do I make an array of unique elements? I mean, I can simply run an for loop, I know, but I want to do something better. How can I do something better? How can I do something better? I can make an array list and push items in them, but what's the point? What am I trying to do? I'm trying to minimize the number of things I need to do, but I'm trying to increase it by doing that. Okay, so I'm thinking to do binary search. So I will need a starting point and an ending point that will be n, and then obviously the middle point I can define that in the loop, so it will keep going until when? Good question. I have no fucking idea. Do you know? Okay, so it should, I will just do the normal thing while start is less than n, keep it up. And for making things easier on me, I will add few more things. First of all, the minimum steps 69. No, I will just call it -1 for now. And then the minimum, sorry, what should I call it? No, I will call it correct length, and I will put that as -1 as well. All right. Now what do we do? And why the hell do we have an error here? What the hell? Cannot convert. Oh, my apologies. Now we need to make an hash map to store some data. What do we need? Okay. Control. Come on, I want you to auto import that. I don't even know if it is an utility or what. Oh, I misspelled it. Oh, okay. Hash map. Come on, man. Hash map. Beautiful. So we have to make a new hash map. It will be integer comma integer, I guess. I wonder if we have to type int or integer. Oh wait, do we have any messages? Good to know. And then I will call it, what should I call it? Cache is equals to new hash map. And I think we need to call that thing integer. And then copy that, paste this, boom, enter. So does that work? Okay, I guess we need to call it int after all. Okay, what do we need to call it? What the hell is that? What's the problem? Syntax error, insert dimensions to complete the argument. What the hell is a dimension? I don't know. I have no idea. That's crazy. I will just steal some old code then. But before that, let's give it a try. Hash map, blah blah blah. It is in utils. Okay, I will remember that. The type of key maintained by this map, the type of value. So that's what I'm trying to do here. But you are being a bitch. Okay, no, not a problem. We know how to fix this. We just look at our past achievements, I guess. Ah, that's the problem. The integer have a capital I. I forgot about it. So we have to give it the class name. My god, that's such a that is such a simple issue, man. How did I mess it up? Alright. Boom. We did it. Now what do we do? That is pretty simple. I'm thinking about something. So my plan is, I think binary search will not work. Binary search will not work. Left, right, current. Okay, let's try something else. We will have a left, we will have a right, and we will have a current. And I will start by defending nice. I will start by defining current as n divided by 2, and everything else will be equal to that as well. Now the loop should keep going until when? Until L is greater than 0 or R is less than n minus 1. Alright. So what am I thinking now? My thought process is, if I am at this index, let me do this. So if I'm at this index, if I'm at the middle, I will start by going left. Oh, this value is more expensive. If I will go more left, will the value become more expensive or can it become cheaper? Let's think about it. Is it possible for it to become cheaper? So I need to go to my left, and if I have not calculated this and this thing is cheaper, in that case I quit, I start increasing, right? That's pretty simple, right? Yeah, so simple. Okay, so my apologies. Sorry. I will make some booleans. First of all, I'm making way too many variables. I will need to fix. I'm trying to brute force this thing right now. So let's see. First of all, we need to know we have go left. Let's set that as true. We have go right, that can be false for now. Then we have band left is equals to false. Band right, that is false. And we will stop, sorry, we will continue while not band left or not band right. So until we can go on any direction, we will keep going. Simple as that. Now, what the fuck should I do? Okay. So the first thing that we have to do is, if minimum steps is equals to -1, and we need double equals to, obviously, in that case we are just going to save the value. Else if minimum steps is greater than the number of steps which are for the current thing, then we are going to do some swapping, my boy. We will do minimum steps is equals to steps, and then correct length is equals to len. All right. Now, obviously, we need to define these things. So I will do int steps is equals to 0 and len is equals to what? Pretty right. Length bracket m. What is m? Very good question. I don't know. It is C. Okay, it is C. What's the use case of L and R now? None that I can think of, obviously. So, my friend, think about something. if we already have data, that is if we have some cache dot has, do we have a has function, do we have a have function? Okay, let me just check the docs. Get okay, so I will just do cached length is equals to cache dot get, put the current goddamn value in it. What is it? Think about the value, think about the value, think about it, man. We are going to, oh, got it. So if cached length, that's weird. So what is the type of this thing? What does this thing return? Returns the value to which the specified or null. Okay, if cached length is equals to null. Ooh, that's bad. What do you mean? Bro, why are you lying to me? Okay, you know what? You're being a weirdo, right? What about this? Why are you working now, bitch? Alright, not a problem. So if this, okay, I will just change the math, alright? If it is not equals to null, sorry, then steps is equals to this. Sorry. And if it is equals to null, then we need to calculate. And what do? We do some math. We run a for loop. Dude, this thing is going to become like n square. Sorry, n raised to power n or something. Fuck. We have to do int I is equals to, and why the fuck I am doing this? What are we making right now? I am doing a question of, let me check what it is. It's a CSES.fi problem, and I'm supposed to do some weird thing. I'm probably some good algorithm which I don't know how to do. So I'm trying it out. Let's see if I can do it or not. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do steps plus equals to math dot absolute, whatever is the number subtracted by, what should I subtract it by? Yeah, length bracket I, amazing, and terminate. Now I'm going to add a countermeasure. If minimum steps is not equals to -1 and minimum steps and steps is greater than minimum steps, that means it is no point pursuing this length because this is already bad. In that case, what are we going to do? Exactly, we are going to break the loop. No need to calculate it anymore. So if minimum steps is equals to -1, if it is -1, then oh, I simply need to do this. Let me just remove this. I will change it to an if. Okay, now let's think about it. So what is happening in the program right now? Let's open some cool things together. MS Paint. Let's try to imagine it. I got an array, right? So I have my beautiful array right here, and then I'm going to sort it. I got the sorted array now. Boom. Now after that, I'm going to get the middle point, that is this one. I will get the middle point, and then we have boolean go left, go right. I will figure that out shortly. So now I need to go left or right? Yeah, and then I will save that value, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's try it. So now I need to decide where should I go next. That's a good question. If nothing is banned, that's a good question. Okay, let's try to ban some things. If C is equals to 0, then you know what we are going to do? Exactly, we are going to ban right sorry, band left, I'm dumb, is equals to true, go left is going to become false. And otherwise, if c is equals to n minus 1, then we are going to do the same for the right side. Why am I doing this? I have no goddamn idea. I hope this thing works. Left will be replaced to right. Alright. Now after that, the question is, what is the question? Now what is the question? If everything is banned, right, then just stop. No. If we have to go left, then what? Let me think about it. C minus minus. If we have to go right, then C plus plus. C plus plus, yeah. And oh, correct length. I'm using it here. So what's wrong? Anyways, who cares? The value of this is never used. I'm literally using it right there. What are you talking about? But anyways, the question is this thing right? So let's see what is happening. We're going to get an array, we will sort it, then we're going to have a lot of variables. What is the correct number of steps and what is the length? We start with this middle index. Initially, everything is supposed to be viewed. We are supposed to go left, we're supposed to go right, and the what? And the what? And the what? You know what? I want to do one more fun thing. I will add this. I want to add the thing. I will just talk about it. Give me a second. So you guys might remember that I initially said if I'm going on left and this left value is worse than the previous left value, that means the furthermore left values are even more worse. Right? So that means we have to stop it and we have to get some help. How do we do that? Let me just think about it. Cache.get len. Okay, we have to do cache.get length bracket c minus. Okay. So what we're going to do is, I have no idea. So we will do, if we have cache.get len gths bracket c plus 1, then we're going to do some stuff. Sorry, if it is not equals to null. In this case, if this value is less than if it is less than the current value, that means going on the left is stupid, so we will ban the left, right? I hope I'm right. And then I will just merge this if statement because I'm a weirdo. How can I make this if statement better? I have no idea how to define a type which can be both itself and null. Let me just Google search that. You should make a notification on Discord bot. YouTube didn't give me the notification. Oh, so that means YouTube hates me. A notification bot on Discord. This is the third time someone suggested me. I think this is something I should definitely put my hands on. Okay, man. Oh, this reminds me. This live stream was so that I can work on random bot and show you guys something cool. I will do that as well. How to define a int which can be null in Java. Can an int be null in Java? Yes. Integer x. Oh, got it. Very easy. Too easy. So how do we do that? We do this. Integer predecessor is equals to this. Now if predecessor is not equals to null and predecessor is less than, okay, I spelled it wrong, less than steps, then we do that. Amazing, that's such a beautiful piece of code. And why do I get stop that? Then we have to do the same thing right there. Let's stop that. We do C plus minus 1. We can also get index out of bound error for this. So let me add a fix for this. Wait, we cannot get an index out of bound for this because we are going to look at the other side. Yeah, you are right. I'm dumb. My bad, guys. My bad. Let me just copy this piece of beautiful code. And we will be banning right. Ban right. Now after all of that is done, what are we going to do? We are going to print it. System.out.println. We will print steps plus min steps. By the way, if I will make a YouTube notification bot, what should it have? Like, I can just make a simple bot in which you can do like input the channel name and then bot will figure it out. It will send and then choose the channel and type the notification message and then bam, you are done. But is that really good enough? I mean, I can make a free one, but I will be using something free in it as well. That's why the notification can be 10 or 20 minutes late sometimes, or maybe like 50% of the time. So is that something we should try to do, or should we try something even better? Or maybe I can make it so if a person will give their YouTube API key, then the thing will be a bit faster. Anyways, let's copy the relative path. This is, I have a doubt about this question. I have a bad feeling that it will not work at all, but let's find out. Let's find out. Let's fucking find out. Copy that, paste, enter. Please don't be an infinite loop. It is an infinite loop. Fuck you. How was this code this bad that it ended up being an infinite loop? I have no idea. So I would like to add hundreds of console logs right now. I will start with system.out.println. You know what, my man? Starting for plus len, and then I will need to pause that. So I'm trying it for this length, and I will need to I will show the index as well. Plus terminate index plus sorry, C. Okay, then we have some logs. System.out.println steps, break it cached, and then it will be plus steps. Terminate that, copy this. Then we have an otherwise. I will print that here as well. We calculated the steps, so I will not say cached. Oh, got it. We are never saving the cache. I'm so dumb. But that should not just kill this thing, right? It shouldn't, obviously, but that's improvement right here. Now we are saving the cache. Simple as that. What's your problem? The method set. Okay, I think it is called put. Weak. After that, we are checking if we swapped or not. I was about to console log system.out.println swapped, and after that we are going to log some things. We are going to tell if we are going to ban something or not. Oh, we do not have a terminate. What the hell is that? I will say band left. Copy this. Sorry, Alt Shift F. How can I have an error inside a string? What the fuck, man? How can a string have an error, dude? Stop being a weirdo. Oh, it should be go right is equals to false. Dumb. I hope that was not the problem. I mean, I hope that was the problem. Otherwise, I need to do more things. Then what else do we have? System. I would like to add a system.out.println here as well. System.out.println. Bam. Nice. Now I want to add some logs for this. If we are going to do the left side, band left cause bad. Then we are going to have band right cause bad. Simple as that. We band right cause bad, blah blah blah. Let's figure out what was the problem last time. Why was it being a weirdo to us? This laptop is so slow today, dude. Can a laptop become slower due to cold? That's not possible, right? Okay, that's a lot of logs. So we are stuck at index 0. Is that what you are saying? I will assume yeah. We are banning the left, but it is still going left. Why is that happening? Oh, that's why. If we are banning the left and we are saying go left is false, then we should probably go right is equals to true and so it is going to become true if it is not banned. Similar to that, go left is going to be true if it is not banned. Probably, I hope this works. If it doesn't, I have no idea. Window V again, this sucks. Where is it? There it is. What is this? Right click, enter, boom. Steps 5, length is 2. Beautiful. But let's see some things. So we started at index 2, we went to index 1, then we went to index 0, then we banned the left. Fuck you left. Then we went to index 1 again. That's not a good thing now, is it? Think about it, Karthike. We don't need to go through all of that again. I mean, obviously it have the cached, so blah blah blah. I want to try it with a bigger array this time. I will do 7. Why is this thing so slow? And then, you know what, my friend? I will add a 4, I will add a 1. Nice. So I want to see the system now. So we started with index 3, then we swapped, then we went to index 2, it was cached, index this, it was... Why did it go to index 0? I don't understand that. Why was it not banned? Because going to index 0 was not useful. That's very dumb. I mean, the answer is 2. Okay, that's possibly right. I don't understand. Why did it choose to go to left when it saw that this is dumb? Answer is 11. 11 is greater than 8. You should have stopped. Why didn't you ban the left? Where is it? So predecessor, I need to add some console logs. If they do not ban, please specify the values. Left, no bad. Why? Just specify the values. Predecessor and I have no fucking idea. If I'm going to the left plus 1, that makes sense. Okay. Then we have a else for this, and we will say right no bad. Nice. Let's restart. What's wrong with this stupid... Okay. I hate this thing. 7, 4 and 1. Okay. Now let's figure out. So first of all, left is not bad. Obviously. Second of time, it is not bad. Third of the time, it is not bad. It says 11. Why did it say 11 there? The answer for the predecessor is 11. That doesn't make sense, my friend. Why did that happen? Oh, that's why that happened. This fucking schemer. Got it, got it. Got it, my friends. That's such a big mistake of mine. It was checking it with itself. Dumb. That was so dumb of me. My apologies, my friends. Let me just clear the logs. Let's restart. And I hate myself already. 7, enter. Nice. Beautiful. So what happened? Well, of course there is an error, but it left no bad. Left no bad. Band left was bad. Beautiful. After that, started for 1, index 0. What the fuck, motherfucker? What the fuck, my man? I think I know the problem. It should be only decreased when left is not bad. It should be only decreased when right is not bad. Nice, nice, nice. What else? We can hope that it works this time. What else? Okay, it's been a while. I've clicked on the arrow twice. There we go. And it's an infinite loop. So we are stuck on index 1. Why? Why are we stuck on index 1? Okay, that's weird. When was the last time when it was not index 1? Run, stop. Sorry. Oh, I'm supposed to give the values first. Run, stop. Shit, I was slow. Oh, I was not slow. So first of all, left, no bad. What the fuck am I doing with my life? Yo, Shringika Shukla. What's up, brother? How's it going? So the situation is, left is not bad. Then the left got banned. Dude, why are you banning the left again and again? Are you dumb? Oh, if I'm banning the left, the go left should become false as well. And go right should become this. That was the problem. I was like, what's wrong, dude? I'm dumb sometimes. My apologies on that. I am writing way too much stupid code, I know, but I want to make it cool, right? I want it to work. 7, boom, and progress. Now what I'm going to do is system.out.println, I will do Ctrl+Shift+L, Ctrl/, everything is commented. Then I'm going to just copy paste this and paste it right here. I will change it to minimum steps. And I will Ctrl+X this. I will uncomment this. Bam! The program is done. I will send it to Bull and I will ask him if this works. Okay, let's wait for it. Can you check if it works? And we are not done yet. So we will go to our beautiful AI Sama. What is the time complexity? Let's go. I hope it is not n raised to power n. Oh, it is n log n. What the fuck? What the fuck? Whoa, it is n log n. It is not that bad. I'm sorting the array, that's a big problem. But that is what is helping me get that log n. Nice. Oh my. Let me just copy that and let me send it to Bull. Why it is not like you have some exceedingly well, he is going to abuse and roast me, so I will just accept my defeat and accept it. By the way, AI says it is... Man, I was expecting n raised to power n, so not that bad. Should I tell him that I'm streaming this? Please do not roast me. It's too late. Too late. Oh, we only have 40 dropped frames today. Yesterday it was like 20,000 if I'm not wrong. Yep. Can you tell me the pseudocode like logic? Ha. Definitely, my friend. I will definitely explain it to you. What? You're not getting enough? Do you want like 5,000 again? What the fuck is wrong with you? Welcome. I have a bad feeling that he will abuse me or roast me shortly, but we have to bear it, man. Oh wait, we have 0 viewers, so only I have to bear it. Fucking scam, dude. Why are you guys running away from him? Very bad. As expected. I mean, he might do in log n someday, who knows. So how should I explain it to him? Wanna join stream, then I explain it and look like a cool developer. Let's see how he will reject my opinion or how he will accept it. Let's find out, man. Let's see what will happen today. Alright, not a problem. We are going to explain this thing anyways, and I will just write it down so I can send it to him. And let's see, let's figure it out. Let's see what is actually happening in this code. And I'm very happy that I was able to do it. I would like to thank my mom and my dad for creating me, and Kami-sama arigato. So what we are doing is, first let me just write it down, man. Let me open Discord. So what we are doing is, firstly inputting the, ये मेरा 2 raised to power n में हो रहा है. We'll try tomorrow. Okay, I will just say we'll try. Anyways, so obviously I will likely not try today because I am going to make random bot. But let's do this. So first of all, we are getting inputs len comma lengths. That's a beautiful input right there. Now secondly, what we are going to do is sort the lengths. I don't know why I'm unable to click on H. Now after that, what we're going to do is pretty simple. Let me think about it. What am I actually fucking doing? Go to mid of array, count steps. What is next? I'm going to count steps. That's it. Go left until there is left and steps are not increasing. Afterwards, go right until there is right and steps are not fucking increasing. What is next? Of course, cache the values. Log the smallest one. Let's go. But the thing is, I have only tested it with on single piece of input. So we don't definitely know this thing works or not. So I'm not 100% sure that this works, but I fucking hope it works. Right? How do I test it? If I log in, will I be able to test it? I don't have an account though. I will create one then. You want everything. Okay, take my name. Take my password. Oh, I have to write it again. Fuck you. Please suggest me a strong password, man. Yes. I don't know my password, dude. Okay. Not a problem. I will just do something beautiful. I muted myself instead of hiding the screen. Alright. So my password is going to be this. Control X. I'm done. Yep. That was it. I have a beautiful password now. Paste. Copy paste. I don't want to give you any additional information. Submit that. And registration was successful. Let's go to login. Save that. Submit this. This device only. Submit that. Now do we have a submit? Yes, we fucking do. I have a bad feeling this will not work, man. I don't want to do it. I'm scared. Let's choose the language. Java. Let's choose the file. Let's choose the file, man. Okay, it's been a while since I clicked on it. Finally. So we have to go on local disk E. Then we have to go on the learning folder. Inside that you will find the Codeforces folder. Inside that we have a folder called sticklens, and there we have the file called code.java. And let's hope it works. The code is right. Testing is done already, and we got a runtime error. And then we got some wrong answers. That's depression. Let me just take my wall of shame. Anyways, I wonder how do I check? Oh, I can check it. Correct output 0, user output empty. Index -1 out of at line number 73. Which is line number 73? Let's figure it out. Line number 73 is this. C -1. If I'm going to subtract it, if C is equals to 0, then predecessor will be null, otherwise this. Okay. If I'm going to add the goddamn thing, if C is equals to n-1, okay, amazing. Now apart from that, what was the issue? Runtime error, correct output, user output. Got it. It logs nothing when answer is 0. Weird. That's very weird. User output, correct output. You know what? I will just do a bit of stuff. If minimum steps is equals to -1, then do 0, otherwise do minimum steps. Now most of the answers should be right, hopefully. Let's try it out again. Haha. I'm such a bad programmer, man. Okay, can I edit it? I cannot edit that. That sucks. Let's go back and let's submit it once more. This is so bad. Java submit, and it is pending, and it is done. Let's find out. Oh, improvement. Okay, so we have like 3 broken cases. Everything else is fine. I will figure them out shortly. Fix that. Now 3 cases actually not working. BRB. Sargent. All right, so let's go on this one. Let's figure it out. So the correct output is supposed to be that big number, and we are giving that big number in return. Why are we doing that? Hello, sorry for bothering you. I want to offer promotion of your channel. Oh, viewers, followers, chatbots, etc. The price is lower than any goddamn competitor. The quality is guaranteed to be the best. Flexible and convenient order management, chat panel, and everything is on my hands. Go to streamrise.com. Well, welcome to the stream. And uh, probably no, I'm not sure if I should promote such garbage which I'm doing. That won't be worth the effort. So, but thank you for the offer. If someday I start making something good, I might do it. We'll let you know. Streamrise.com. I will probably remember that as well. Anyways, let's paste that, enter. So we are off by ones, tens, hundred, thousands, and thousand, million, 10 billion. 8.58 billion. Oh, let me tell him that. My answer was just a bit off, like 8.59 billion. Not that bad, right? Why is this happening, man? Alright, so this is the input. And it didn't work. That's what he is saying. Let's copy that. Let's go to our beautiful Codeforces folder. Let's do these. Control slash and type Java. Sorry, my apologies. I was supposed to type this. Right click, enter, enter. Nothing happened so far. Alright, a lot of things happen now. Enter. Okay, I think my screen is not stuck. What's up? Let's click enter again. It is okay. I think my screen is broken. My apologies. Let me just check this problem out. He's doing it in 2 raised to power n. I mean, if you are doing it, fuck you, Firefox. Fuck you. If you are doing it in bad time, that means I will not even do it in a shit time. Okay, I'm fucked. Anyways, copy these. What the fuck is wrong with my laptop? Firefox. Why is my laptop so bad? It cannot even run like Google Chrome, Discord, and OBS Studio and Visual Studio Code. That's weird. That's very weird. Oh, he sent me the code. Yes, same method except after finding the middle of the sorted array, it is middle minus 1. If there is even elements, just subtract the value from all elements. What do you mean by subtract the value from all elements? Let me see. Let me see his beautiful code. Init code, blah blah blah. L code, answer ABS, return answer. Okay. Vectors, text or resize. Sort the error thingy. Median is that. Let answer is equals to cost. Bracket में stick, comma median, comma n. It is going to do what? I don't know what that means, but okay. Oh, maybe this thing is the problem. Okay, let's delete that. What was I supposed to do? I was supposed to open his problem, which is, array, damn it, I clicked on that again. I hate Firefox. Let's right click, copy the beautiful link, go to this, Control W, Control V, enter. Amazing. Let's see, missing coin sum. You have n coins with positive integer values. What is the smallest sum you cannot create using a subset of coins? So we have this, and output is 6. So I can just run a loop from the minimum value, and then okay, we run, wait a second, for loop from minimum value and keep going up until we can make them. I guess that should be it, right? Let's think about it. Right? Maybe. Like int I is equals to air bracket 0, I is less than bracket air dot length minus 1. I wonder if that's how we did it. So we're going to do that, and then how do we check if we can make or not? That's a good question. One thing we can do is we take every smaller element and we try different combinations. First of all, if we can check if we have 2 and if the current number is even, we are done. Then we can check, wait. We are supposed to make a subset. That means we have to use, we cannot repeat. Can we repeat? Yes, well, I mean, we can only use the number of those coins provided. We cannot do like, oh, we have 2, now we can make every even number. Okay, that makes sense. That's a lot of thinking. I don't have enough brains for that. I'm done doing this beautiful thing. Let me just save it. I will call it sticks and length. Sorry, stick lengths or something. Stick length. Enter that. Now YouTube can fuck off. And what do I do next? Yeah, let's go to the main thing of today. The random bot. So what are we supposed to do today? Exactly. I forgot myself. Oh, I remember it now. We're supposed to go to index.js and then we go to this line and then we're going to uncomment MongoDB. Why? Pretty simple. We're going to make a new model and we're going to call it guildmodel.js. And then the next thing that we're going to do is very simple. We're going to make a new model. And let's wait for it. Sorry. Oh, I have a model already. Nice. So we are going to have an ID and we're going to have few more things. First of all, we are going to have a thing called joined at. Then we are going to have a thing called prefix. And by the way, joined at will be a number. And I guess if we have a joined at, we can have a left at. Think about it, Karthikeya. Why not? Let's have a left at. So we know when we joined this, we know when we left it, we know we have a prefix, and we know who we are talking about. Should I save the name as well? Nah, I don't feel like doing it. Also, just give me a second. Let me just check the messages. Bang. What is this? Which of the following? Okay. So, which of the following is an implication? If you are born in a country, then you are a citizen of that country. You are a citizen of a country if and only if you are born in that country. You become a citizen of a country if you are born in that country. Implication means the first case is true, then the second case is definitely true. Implication means one statement implies the second statement. So if I am born in a country, then I am the citizen of that country. It is an implication, definitely. You are citizen of a country if... Okay, this is not an implication. You become the citizen of a country. I will say second is A. Why am I doing these questions? I wonder. Second is A. But this is a simple question. Why is he making me do it? The point -1, -2, -3 lies in which of the following octant? Oh my god. That's 3D geometry. Why are you asking me that? That sounds very hard to me. But I mean, oh, he have checked it. That means he already know it. My bad. The principal value of. Why is he asking me this? Come on, don't do that. Let me just open the trigonometry table. Trigonometry table. What is it? 1 upon root 3. Ah, I have no idea. Oh, I think it is 30 degrees. 30 degrees means. Let me think about it. So we have pi. Pi is 180. Okay, so that is option number D. And then we have option number D. Yeah, domain of the function y is equal to sec inverse x. You have checked that one. The slope of the tangent is this. You have checked that one. Wait, is he asking me to do the one which I checked? Yeah. Interesting, interesting. That's weird. Let me just ask Bard. 1, 1, -1, like it. Which? Not 10. Huh. Okay, I was right. Alright, man. I think I should just close WhatsApp again. La 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 la. Sine of x and y is that. Okay, that's done. The issue is there is a question in which it is asking the domain of sec inverse x. The first option is 0, comma pi by 2 union pi by 2, comma pi. That is obviously wrong. The second option is negative infinity to negative 1 union 1 to infinity. Oh, just realized it. It is about that. It is such a dumb question, man. I cannot see the brackets. The brackets are hard to see. The bracket should be circular if I remember it right. But all the brackets are square. Oh no, there are some circular ones as well. Let me just zoom in. I can really tell a difference. Only that one is square. What the fuck? I will just skip that question. He will never know. X squared 3, 4. Okay, that's weird. Anyways, yeah. X Alright, now it's time to get back to work. I guess I will close everything real quick. Let me go back to the chat. Oh my, oh shit, I forgot to unhide the thing. Okay, let's remove this, click on window, bam. I'm back. Now we need to go back to the random bot. So we have all of that. What do we do next, my friend? I don't know. We need a prefix command, so it will be a admin command, I guess. So it will be admin slash prefix.js. What the hell just happened? It will be a command. Obviously, I'm hungry, to be honest. Wait, I did eat lunch. Why am I hungry? I wonder. Set the prefix of the server slash command option. It will be prefix, the new prefix of the server, and then what? Await, sorry, const data is equals to await guild model dot find one and update. So ID is going to be obviously interaction dot guild dot ID. I have a good feeling that I should do something else that will help me in data collection. I will make a new oh, nice idea. I will make a class called database.js. Obviously I will do module.exports, and I cannot spell module, that's my bad, is equals to a class, and I'm gonna call it database. As I said, what do we need? We need a client, type of client. Okay, so I will just make a constructor. It will be a client, and let me define the tie-ups. Tie-up, then it is going to be client, control space, we are going to get it from here, and then we will do this dot client is equals to client. Then we are going to have a lot of caching. How do we do that? Pretty simple. First of all, we have guild database.guild. It will be an, okay, let me just do this. This dot guild is equals to require dot slash models slash guild model. Then I will do this dot guild dot cache is equals to new map. Easy. Or guess what? I don't know, this is good enough. Guild.model.find one. I don't need to do that. You know what? I'll just do this instead. Guild cache is equals to new map. You know what? Then I just need to put it right here. Then we have a new thing, and we're gonna call it update the goddamn guild. Pretty simple. I'm hungry, man. I will just continue the stream later, to be honest. Well, but anyways, thanks a lot for joining in the today's stream. I'm doing pretty bad and good at the same time. I just need to fix a couple of things in the random bot. Then I will continue my work on a couple of other things, like need to do to order thing today, and then I will look into some other personal thing. But for now, yeah, I need to probably do the notification bot sometime soon. But for now, thanks a lot for joining